Is your Dyson Supersonic giving you the silent treatment? You're ready to style, but your dryer is completely unresponsive. Or maybe it only turns on if you hold the cord at a very specific, awkward angle. The technical cause? It's almost always a faulty power wire. Even though Dyson built a masterpiece, the constant twisting and pivoting of daily use eventually fatigues the internal copper wiring. Ignoring this doesn't just lead to bad hair days, it's a safety risk. A compromised wire can cause short circuits or even permanent damage to the expensive internal control board. Frustrating, right? Robocare has the fix. Our technicians are specialists who understand the intricate internal circuitry of these high-end devices inside and out. We don't believe in guesswork. Our team uses specialized diagnostic tools to safely open the handle assembly without damaging the sleek finish. Once inside, we pinpoint the exact point of fatigue in the power lead. Instead of a temporary patch, we perform a professional wire replacement using genuine components to handle the heat and constant movement. We ensure every connection is secure and every safety fuse is tested, restoring your Dyson to its original powerful performance. But you don't have to take our word for it. Let's get to the results. Look at that. This Dyson is back-to-back to factory fresh performance. No more wiggling cords, no more flickering, no more sparks. Just a perfect blowout every time. Ready to revive your Dyson? Let Robocare fix it right. Contact Robocare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.